KK squad, it's the girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be reacting to Black Girls Magic hashtag on TikTok. As you guys saw in a couple videos back, I did a reaction video to type 4 hair, and you guys really liked it and requested another part. I'll be coming with a part 2 to that specific video, but in this video we're gonna be reacting to that melanin skin, that beautiful yeah. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Who wants to be black? I don't understand that. I really just can't comprehend it. I don't see how you can hang from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Let go.
Period. How can ooh, her hair. Beautiful. She's beautiful.
Who wants to be black? I don't understand that. I really just can't comprehend it. Me.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You see me? Don't do that.
Who are you? What did I pretty black? Black? Yes, ma'am. Black? Yes, ma'am. Pretty black? The black, yeah. The black one. Girl, you ain't ever lie because you look good as fuck. Like, thank you. Ooh.
Beautiful. Did y'all see all that hair? Goals. I mean, I'm there, but goals.
Dear black girl, it's your style, your smile, the way you light up the room when you walk in, because your skin is coated in melanin. Dear black.
Listen, he did good. He did good. It's a good feeling when your husband/boyfriend knows your angles. Like, I can vouch for that because my pictures be coming out bomb. So yeah, I know how you feel, girl. That was cute.
I'm not trying to sound conceited or nothing, but like, being black is a flex. Like, you see how the sun is just like eating my skin up? Like,
sun kissed.
I'm not trying.
Sun kissed. Did y'all see all that melanin, that beautiful chocolate? Yes, sir.
They tell black girls, perm your hair, straighten it, make it look tame, but then they steal our protective styles and give it a new name. Now all of a sudden, cornrows are boxer braids. They tell black girls, when you speak, do so gently, softly, because God forbid you come across as assertive, then all of a sudden she's an angry black woman. As if it wasn't an assertive black woman who freed the slaves using an underground railroad, as if it was an assertive black woman who refused to give up her seat on that bus. They tell black girls,
talk truth. Talk truth. The truth. Just the truth.
Here's a new challenge from my black people with type 4 hair. If you think you have more shrinkage than I do, I definitely don't believe you, so duet this and prove me wrong. Do you see how it barely goes past my eyebrow?
Shrinkage is real, sis. It's real out here. You go, girl. That afro is on point, cute. You killed it. You did that.
getting all emotional.
No, you're not gonna cry. You are a beautiful little girl.
Tell her you are beautiful.
Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm getting all emotional. No, but for real, you have to let them know. You have to put it in their head. Like, listen, I don't know the other kids in your class, girl, but you are the most beautiful girl in your class. Period. Oh yeah, they killed that. It ain't no question. Beautiful. You guys must be saying, oh, can you say something else? But listen, Melanin, so breathtaking. So, my goodness, like, yeah.
You and please going to thank you, Sir Jeffers. Will you accompany me to the mysterious wedding today? No, but Rebecca, I love you. I love you too. I love you. Marry me, Rebecca. No. Why? I don't love you. Whoopsies. Rebecca! I am in love with another. Who is this man? He is you. I love you. Marry me, Rebecca. No. Rebecca!
She is so cute. She is so adorable. Oh my goodness.
Dear black girl, it's your style, your smile, the way you light up a room when you walk in, because your skin is coated in melanin. It's your laugh,
Wow.
your swag in your voice when you talk. Keep shining, keep grinding, hold your head high, girl. Live your life with pride, black girl.
I want to do a photo shoot so bad with friends. That was cute.
It is what it is.
Trust me, you get what you give.
Put your finger down, dark skin edition. Put a finger down if you go to the store and you can never find your foundation shade. Put a finger down if you're bullied in school because of your skin color. Put a finger down if people said you would be prettier for a light skin. Put a finger down if you can't use contour because there's nothing dark enough. Put a finger down if you've been struggling to find a guy that like dark skinned girls. Put a finger down if you've ever been compared to an animal. Put a finger down if you've ever been fantasized. Put a finger down if your own family calls you too dark.
No.
Put a finger down if you ever get attention when you wear bright colors. Last one. Put a finger down. Despite all this, you love your skin color.
You are beautiful. No matter what they say, words. Period. Yeah, you know the rest, but you're beautiful. Don't let them tell you otherwise. Oh. It does. Low light vids hit different. I've never tried it, but girl, it works so well for you. She's so cute. Her face, she's cute. She's so cute.
Every time people get called out for using the N-word, their go-to excuse is always freedom of speech. But But when we use our freedom of speech to say Black Lives Matter, they want to get upset and say that by saying Black Lives Matter, we're devaluing the significance of other lives. But baby, we're not devaluing anything. Instead, we're only highlighting a group of people that are oppressed on the daily. And now that we're on that subject, by using the N-word, are you not devaluating and demeaning my people, my ancestors who were belittled? Alright, sure, you're not ready for that conversation, are you?
No, they're not. They're not, boo. They're not. But you are so right.
They said, y'all wasn't tuned in back then. Last like they keep checking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip.
You fine, girl. You fine. Wait, what's going on here?
Wow.
I wish I could do that. She did that. Looking all cute doing it too. Like, girl. Girl. Come through, Shalom. Come through. I love her videos. I love her. I love watching her.
Telling me this, telling me that. You say once you take me with you, I'll never go back. Now I got a lesson that I wanna teach. I'ma show you that where you from. No matter to me, she said, well, I come on, stop.
Was I the only one that hit? Cause that light hit. The light wasn't even needed for real, but girl, you did that. Period. Girl, you cute.
As you can see, the beautiful queen was just doing her dance. But then something told me, go to this girl's comments. And the two first comments I saw pissed me off. So you know what I'm gonna do next. So first up is this idiot right here. And I don't even have to state the problem because the problem is chilling on his face. Because from when you can breathe into your own ear, there is no need for a conversation. And not only that, but he has a nose bridge to match. Like that man really put a pair of shades on. And his fucking nose bridge
Bahonky.
out here looking like
She said bad man.
don't make me get my sweater. Next on the list, we have this one whose hairline looked like a roadmap.
No.
Tell me something. What is the destination to the end of your hairline? Is it Route 66? I really need to know. Come in for the girl with this big ass gap in your mouth. If this brother was a superhero, I know his name would be Wonder Girl. Because I'll be here wondering why these girls...
Nah, she Jamaican.
Really out here calling the girl black as fuck. Like you forgot that you black too. Shut the fuck up.
She's Jamaican. Definitely. I'm gonna go read her comment section, but she's Jamaican. She has to be Jamaican, but she's right. Like, listen, that girl, the girl that was dancing, her skin, it's so pure. Like, you don't see leave her alone. She look good, and you're right. But I know you Jamaican. I could tell. I know my people.
This is the most beautiful picture you'll be seeing this weekend. Drop a heart if she's cute. She is beautiful. Very beautiful.
I had hairy skin too as a kid, but as I get older, it just, I don't know where it went. Wait, this has to be like a museum or something. I'm gonna read the comments for that too. But yeah, she did that. She killed it. Anyways, KK squad, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to make that thumbs up blue. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like a part 2, or you could make any suggestion of videos that you would like me to react to, whether it be like wig videos, different type hair videos, funny videos, just let me know in the comment section. Anyways, thank you so much again, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.